Hi YouTube, this is Tony from Ryan Cali again. It's been that time now that we are coming back to here to bleed the brakes for ABS to turn on. So I got, last time for my video, I got one of these already, and now it's plugged in, power on and everything. So I got everything prepped ahead, so I have some wrenches already to be open for bleeding valves. I just want to run through some of these procedures that we'll go through. So I think that with many videos, or not many videos, but there's no videos online right now that shows an S1000RR, which is a 2023, a K67. Okay, the link is on right here. There's a green light right here. I don't know if the camera can show it, but okay. So basically, the procedure is only this part right here. Perform the conventional vent, then tighten the brake screw. So the subsequent activation of the pump, immediately pull the front brake lever 3 times. Each time's 2 seconds, basically, and then release it. And then that's actually count as 1. So we're going to do it in real time here, okay? So it's going to make some sounds, and I'm going to start pulling, and then I'm going to go have to bleed the brakes, okay? On the brake, let me perform the operation. Okay, so I'm gonna go and bleed it, and then, so this is the 8mm. Now guys, I have stow bus. I'm not saying that you guys, everybody should get a stow bus, but it's quite convenient actually. So I like to use this just in case that it goes everywhere. And then so open quarter turn, see how that is actually measured, and then I got no bubble. Oh, 1 bubble. Oh, wow. Okay, that's it. That's all I need to do. Crack it open. There you go. Okay, this a little bit. There you go. Just a little tight. Okay. So on the top is actually 9. So, and look, it's already went through a bit. So I better let me put this on. And then let me pour some real quick. Okay. I'm going to pour a little bit more because I know that I'm bleeding, so. Okay, not going to use that first. Okay, so oh, little bit, just a little bit. Okay, that's good. And that's it. That's the 1 time. Hang on. Now we're going to do a 2nd time. Oh, geez. Everywhere. So since I'm going to do a 2nd time, let me set this up real quick. Sorry, guys. We'll see some improvement real quick because that. Hang on. There we go. Okay. Bleed front again. Let's do that again. Perform the operation. 1, 2, 2. That's 1 actually. 2. Look at how that does. When I press it, that's 3. Let go. Okay. That's the second time, and we bleed it one more time. And let's check this one more time. This is really not going anywhere, so I could actually be very confident that I'm just gonna crack this. Crack this, and then pump. Oh, wow. Nothing. Great. Okay. This is great. I like it. All right, coming back here. It's like dripping everywhere. Grab this real quick. Second one right here. Can I see? No, oh, a little bit right there. Okay, nothing now. Okay. Okay. Trip it. Okay. And then, okay, we're still checking that that's still good. So let's come back to here. Okay. See any bubbles? It'll work. This is great. I got nothing here, I'll be honest with you. I think the third time I should be really, really happy with my results. Okay. Put it back here. One, 2. And I feel like the brake lever are firmer and firmer each time too, by the way. And that's it. Like even the last bit, the third set, it didn't even go through all the way to the bar. The bar didn't really all the way, but it actually just cuts off. So that's it. So bleed again if you want, which I'm going to try to do because I think that my second time is very, very successful in terms of the air bubble. So I believe that we're going to have the same effect. Yeah, nothing. Okay. One more time. Okay, I'll grab that. Tighten this one more time. Makes it tight. Okay, bring that over. Put it here. Guys, I'm gonna try to make you guys see if that's gonna work. Oh, still a little bubble. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Wow, really does take the third time, huh? All the bubbles out now. Okay, I'm going to do a little of this because I think this is good. Let me do a little bit more because then we're gonna be bleeding the master a little bit. But I think that we should be cleaning this up. All right, this is the last one. So I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. The master has always been really good. Like there's nothing here. Okay, we're good. And the level is perfect right there, like below, a tap below max. So which is great, that's what I want. Okay. Slowly pull this out. There you go. Okay, I have a big reservoir on the side of the garage. I'm going to dump all these later. So, but first, I don't want any more exposure than I have to with the air with this. So I want to put this back right away. There you go. Yeah, it's flush, right? There you go. Come on, get there. Okay, I like the design, this thing. And I usually, this is the hack I have. I have a poke a hole I put it through in case that you guys want to use it, such as that. So wipe everything down. And then remember that this has a little bracket here. I don't know. I think performing this is quite easy. It was the knowledge that acquiring in different sources that made me a little intimidated, to be honest. So I'll wipe it down a little bit later with another clean towel, put this back in. Oh, I'm kind of vain, looking at gold matches gold here. So, okay, so I'm going to sign off. I think that you guys all know that everything looks okay. It's nice. I'm going to do the zip tie as well too. It feels really good right now. It's insanely good right now. But anyhow, guys, I'm gonna sign off. Thank you for watching. You know, this is my first time asking you guys that if you could actually hit like and subscribe. So, guys, please, thanks, and ride safe, guys. And if you guys riding track, gas hard. If you guys riding on street, you know, have fun, get a lot of girls, and that's it, guys.